Innovation Quarter is the heart of Winston-Salem's technology innovation scene. It's evolved into a high-tech ecosystem, catering to the diverse needs of Winston-Salem and beyond.
Being able to have access to this community, this ecosystem, regenerative medicine, biopharma, it's really a convergence of science and technology. This space allows us to expand not only additional capabilities and equipment, but also forward-looking into new technologies.
At Charter Medical's Innovation Hub, we have established a dedicated Center for Excellence for testing capabilities of our single-use cryogenic products. These are all capabilities that we are using internally for new process and new product development, as well as extending these capabilities for our customers so that we can support and aid into development of protocols and process applications for their new product development initiatives.
The Innovation Hub allows us to be more flexible as far as finding the right component, finding the right material, and testing them as we need them to be tested. We're not waiting for other people to do things.
Opening up the Innovation Hub allows us to engage sooner and act more quickly with our customers' needs. It helps us differentiate ourselves from our competitors because we are able to offer solutions in-house.
I'm really excited about the opportunity for growth. We've had a lot of positive response from our customers and other people in the industry about what we're trying to do. Our focus is really to continue to assess and grow the capabilities here to continue to expand our design and testing platform.